Hi, by now you're properly warmed up and it's time to get on with the system. Pilates as a system is actually really simple, and yet it has so many little peels to it that it's fascinating. You can keep on exercising it, sustain it for years to come, for decades to come. Your body will still keep on benefiting and you will still keep on discovering new layers. So one of my favorite exercises is called 100, and as the name says, it's supposed to be done 100 times. Don't get scared, it is just with the arm movement where we are counting 10, 5 on inhalations and 5 exhalation, and that is counted as 1. So we are doing 10 rounds of that, and that is how we get to because we have done 100 small tiny little movements. Having said that, that is the only exercise in Pilates that is not done more than 5 times. In Pilates, everything is done for a very short period of time, only 3 to 10 repetitions, but done absolutely perfectly. Always keep in mind that the quality, not the quantity of the movement is what matters. So we are going back into our basic position with the knees bent, gently roll down. Hold it in neutral spine, so if need be, connect a little bit with the body, move it a little bit. Arms are placed down, legs are on, and start with the little tiny short movements with the arms. Inhale on the count of 3 to 5, exhale on the count of 10. Nothing else. You see, it doesn't matter how quick or tight my movements are. The rest of my body is absolutely still, which means that I am passively engaging the body. I'm pushing my legs in, I'm connecting my core, I'm holding my body together, arms are tight, you can see them being engaged. Once you're comfortable in this position, we are going into the half tabletop position. Once you master that, we are bringing both legs up. We are keeping hips hip width apart, like that's a position. Watch your alignment. Quick, short movement, and once you're comfortable, raise your head up. When you're lifting your head up, you can at this point put the legs down and just focus on the head movement. First, create a little space, so move yourself a little bit up, so only the tips of the shoulder blades are touching the floor. Head is going into lengthen movement, chin tucks in, and then connect the nose into the navel. Think that somebody has roped your nose into and pulling it into your navel. Feel the tightening of the abs. At the same time, never hold the head in very unnatural and very tense position. Chin is resting onto the chest. Maintain the distance between your ears and the shoulders, and flap. At any given point, if you start feeling any tension, always go back, readjust, relax, and then engage. Never struggle in the movement. The movement is meant to challenge your body, but not to create the stress and pain. Come back. So the full movement and ending position for the beginners would be here. As you progress, eventually your legs are going to go up, and then you're going to start lowering it down or go into really funky executions, which takes years to achieve. However, don't do any of these till you master your beginnings, because the fundamentals are the most important, and they really set a very firm and good base for anything you can and anybody you can build later on.